Okay, solving equations having like terms and the parentheses. So you're going to see like terms, you're going to combine them, and also when you have parentheses, how are we going to solve that? Okay. So in this one, we're kind of like looking into, we're going to solve the equations, but then whenever I see this equation, I see a parenthesis. When you see parentheses, what you need to do, distribute it. So when you see a parenthesis, just without thinking, just go and distribute it. So when you distribute it, you multiply this times this, and also not only the first term, and also the second term. So I'm going to multiply them, that is 21 minus 7x equal negative 21. Now obviously I only have one x term, so I don't need to look for the smaller one. Now I can see the constant, send the constant to the other side. So it's a positive 21. If you send it to the other side, it's going to be negative 21. So both of them are negative, you're combining them, so it's going to be negative 42 because you're going to combine them. That's a 7 times x. So the 7 times it's the opposite or the inverse operation of the multiplication. It's a division. So you divide one side, you have to do the other side also. Because equations means you have to keep it balanced. So the x value, that is positive 6. Okay. And you can check the solution, replace the x with the 6, and then you can multiply, you get the same answer. Like for example, if you look at it, if I replace the x with the 6, 3 minus 6 is negative 3. Negative 3 times 7 is negative 21. So they're equal. Alright, for the next question, identify the like terms. So the like terms means it's basically with the same letter or the same variable. So if I look at this question right here, negative 3x and then negative 2x, or minus 2x or minus 3x. So both of them are the like terms, so you're going to combine those two first. So that gives you negative 5x. And then obviously if I can look at the other ones, positive 5, positive 8, these are the numbers, also like terms. So we can combine those two, that gives you positive 13. And then you can bring down the equation. And once you have that, we can just follow a simple steps for the equation. So you can see a positive 13, so you're going to subtract 13. You can bring it down that way, we can say minus 13. So that's going to get you negative 1. But it's 5x means 5 times x, so you divide it by negative 5 on both sides. X, you're going to end up with 1/5. Okay, so that's how you do it. But we are going to concentrate on the combining the like terms. Let's try this one. Combine the like terms. First to distribute it, and then we can combine the like terms next. So when you see the parentheses, I can distribute the both. So that gives you 18t plus 4t plus 20. That's 42. Now combine the like terms, 18t and then 4t. Let's put it together. So that gives you 22t plus 20, that's 42. Good. Now you bring the positive 20 to the other side, that becomes minus 20. So that gives you 22 equals 22t. So that's, you can divide it by 22.
Oh, yeah, we did this
That's
one.
This one has a negative in front. Make sure carefully distribute it. All right, let's try the next one. Careful with the negative distribution out there. So the next one, we're going to do application problem. Application to the geometry. Find the value of the x of the given triangle and rectangle and square. The perimeter is given to you. They give you the sides. So let's figure out what could be the x value. So in the rectangle, you can see opposite sides the same. If this is x plus 2, then the opposite is going to be x plus 2 also. X plus 2. And this is 7, that is also 7. So perimeter means you add all of them. So you can make it equal 40 and then you get the answer. So when you find the perimeter on this one, 7 plus x plus 2
I
plus 7
know
plus
this
x
is
plus 2.
question. I thought it was
Yeah, equals 40. Okay? And solve for the